What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at XRP. XRP is down. I think the volume on XRP is down 49.28% in the last 24 hours, and the market cap is roughly down 4%, as we can see. And with the look of things right here, I think the best thing we can do right now is just analyze the market. Hopefully there will be some news for me to give us on XRP. So without wasting much of your time, if you watched my video yesterday, I made it known to us that XRP is mostly looking bearish than bullish. And if you watch that video, I gave reasons why I think that was the case. Because first things foremost, if you noticed, XRP from the daily time frame, first of all, has been in this massive zone, in this downtrend, obviously, because you can see whenever we come in contact with this level, we get rejected, especially given the fact that we haven't been able to break above this level at $1.50 to $1.57. So you could see we always get rejected whenever we come into this level right here. We get rejected. We come into this level right here, we get rejected. You could see we are always getting rejected. So right now, the question right now is, okay, what should we be expecting from XRP? And I made it known to us yesterday that if we are going to be getting rejected from XRP, we are most likely going to get a move all the way to this level right here. Maybe once we are dropping all the way down to $1.40, 1.40142, we might end up, getting a very good reaction, positive reaction from there, whereby we could rally high a little bit before dumping even much lower. You could see I gave this scenario to play out, this scenario to play out, and it seems like this was majorly the scenario that is playing out right here. So right now, if you're back to this video from my previous video yesterday and you're asking, okay, what should we be expecting next from XRP? What I can say right now is it all depends on the market. The market is still very much bearish, as we can see, and with the look of things, XRP is most likely, it has broken a major support from the trend line, from the fib level at 1.425. So the best thing we could do right now is wait for, since we've dropped to this level of support from this trend line at 1.4, the best thing we could do is probably wait for a retest around here at 1.425. We could get a little bit of fake out and still reject from this level, retest and even dump much lower, retest and keep on crashing much lower to our next major support, which is around there at 1.34. because if you can see also from the daily time frame, this is also where we consolidated for a very long time. You could see this level right here was definitely where we kind of found majority of the support. So I think right now, the best thing I can say right now is hopefully this trend line serves as a very major support for XRP, because if this doesn't serve as a major support for XRP, especially after we've pulled back after this massive rally of 9%, if this doesn't serve as a major support for XRP, because XRP is holding on very well. So if this doesn't serve as a very good support for XRP, I would say that the best thing to do is wait for a major breakout. So if XRP breaks out, I'll wait for a major retest, and once I get that retest, I will be shorting XRP from probably here all the way down to this level right here. So I think that is definitely what I will be doing for XRP. So I think this is best I can say. It's either we get a move like this, or things turn around and we end up getting a move like this and we rally much higher to $1.47. If we're going to be breaking above that, I don't know. Let me not get too ahead of myself. So yeah, that's majorly all I can say right now. The market as a whole is very much bearish. You could see the whole altcoin right here looking very bearish. But looking at things right here, you could see that XRP is still much stronger than Ethereum. You could see XRP is down 1.78%. Ethereum is down 2.1%. Bitcoin is down 1.24%. So I can literally say that XRP is looking stronger than Bitcoin, left to me, and XRP is also stronger than Solana, if you are to ask me. So I think with the look of things right here, this is definitely all I can take out of this. The market is still very much bearish, so I can't say there is any hope for the market to rally anytime soon. because if you look at the USDT dominance right now, the USDT dominance is still very much high, and it is most likely going to be running all the way to 7.5%. And if it's running to 7.5%, altcoins are definitely going to, bear the consequences by crashing. And looking at the price of crude oil, very much elevated, still trading above $100, which is kind of a bad news for risk on assets and the economy as a whole. And looking at the S&P 500, it has gotten rejected from a major trend line right here. So we're most likely going to be crashing much lower if the S&P decides to drop all the way down to $7,290. We are most likely going to see risk on assets like XRP also crashing. So we should just have this at the back of our mind. XRP is still at a very major support right here at 1.4, which is definitely good. We don't want to see it, going below 1.4, because the moment it does that, things will definitely get less funny. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.